All right, so this is Bunny Carlos on drums. The track is the live version of I Want You to Want Me by Cheap Trick. This is live at the Budokan in Japan. And give this a listen. Love this intro on the snare. So it sounds something like this. So the guy goes, I want you to want me. The crowd goes crazy. And then missed a couple notes in there. Let's try it one more time. So to play that, you got to get your accents and taps locked down. You got to be able to play loud strokes and quiet strokes. You've got to be able to swing this part. It's not played straight. So let's play it straight and then swung next to each other. Here's straight, then I'll go swung. See if you can hear the difference. Did you hear that? Here's straight again. You got to swing it. You've got to be able to, like I said, play that accent and tap. When you play that accent, the stick has to end low near the head. If you're playing it and it comes back up, you're not going to be able to get a nice low tap. So slow, it's like. Imagine if the accents went. Every time you play, it's coming back up. Then, by the time when it's back up, you got to pull it all the way back down and try to get that quiet note. So, My Better Hands chorus goes over this stuff. You'll be able to play accents, stop the stick, keep it low to the head. Do what you need to do there. Right? And then I love this part where near the end of the song, he's playing double time. So the snare's happening on every and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. But then he changes it to standard time. So the snare's then happening on every 2 and 4. So listen to this. We'll go from double time to just standard. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. When he goes into that timekeeping after the double time, I mean, it just feels so good. And that comes from really having control of your hand technique. I mean, to make this, to make time feel good like that, obviously you need control of your kick. You need control of your full body, but your hands and your hand technique, making sure that that's locked down. That's how you're going to get that to sound good. All right, so Cheap Trick, Bunny Carlos on drums. Awesome stuff. Thanks for checking out Temple League. Have a great week.